So when you love, you have a lover, you use this to wake her up. Back then, if you do not know this, you hardly get a girl. That's a real. Some of you may know me, and some of you may not know me. My name is Wang-Sue Lee. I used to perform this, they call Mao Hong, right? In English, and Hmong they call Ya. Okay, I'm not the expertise for blowing this Ya, but I'll try my best. I used to perform with other area too, but this is a couple of times I played with the Hmong cultural already. And this is it, it's telling by word. It's telling I love you, you love me, I will perform the song that I love my girl, but I'm gonna come to this country and go run away and do not want to marry me, and he moved to someone else and made me sad, angry, and do not want to do anything else. So I'm poorly at the moment. That is the song that I'm going to blow and I'm going to sing with this, yeah. Okay, this is I'm just a few words, okay?